Centimetre grid shows the plan and front elevation of a cylinder. Work out the volume of the cylinder. Give your answer in terms of pi. So this is a centimetre grid. That means that every square is a centimetre. So if I look at this here, I can see that the height of the cylinder is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the height is 5 centimetres. This here, which might be difficult to see what it actually means, but let's connect it to the circle. This dimension here is 6, and that is exactly the same as the diameter of this circle. This dimension or this dimension is 6, and that's because that circle sits on the top of a cylinder that looks like that. All right, so we've got 5 here, and then the diameter of this circle is 6 centimetres. We need to find the volume of the cylinder, which means we have to find the area of the circle, and then we multiply that by the distance, the height of the cylinder. The area of the circle, we know that the diameter is 6, but we want the radius, so that's the radius is 3. The formula for the area of a circle equals pi r squared. Pi multiplied by r squared, which is 3 squared. This becomes pi multiplied by 9, and in algebra we write that as 9 pi. It's a non-calculator paper. You cannot whip out your calculator to work that out, and it actually says give your answer in terms of pi. So that, like it or not, that is the answer for the area, but not the volume. We now need to work out what the volume is. If this area here is 9 pi, then we are multiplying it by this dimension here, and so the volume equals 5 multiplied by 9 pi, and therefore 5 times 9 is 45 pi, and this is centimetre cubed.